Hey Audrey, where are you?
Coming soon. Oh, hi guys, welcome to myToyS. Today we are opening Mighty Beanz.
And what else? Goes every
and
day.
my sister.
And
she is
slime.
always screaming, right?
Yeah.
She loves screaming, so like, ah! Right?
Yes.
Yeah, she's not wanting to scream.
So what you want to open now?
She's hitting my mom. She's like, give me blah, blah, blah. So, look at this Mighty Bean. 1, unwrap. 2, slam. Ow.
And what's next? For
And then when you slam it, it will just burst. So we have to put these away. Go to the trash bin. Go to the trash bin. And scissors. Put it here. But I don't want scissors to go in the trash bin. Yeah, he has to go to the trash bin. Now let's open it. Whoa. Let's open the cap. Oh my gosh. There's the Mighty Bean inside up here. I got it. Oh, I got the Mighty Bean. I just have to throw this rubbish in the trash bin. So here in the trash bin, they're here. Let's smash. It's getting open. Open. It's opening. Don't smash everywhere. Whoa! What is this?
I don't know. Mighty Beanz.
Do I have to open it?
Sure, of course. Where's the scissor? I guess you need a scissor now.
It says what?
Circus beans.
But there's nothing inside. 会去爆炸. It's like supposed to do stuff. But do I
Yeah,
have
it's
to
kind of
cut
exposed.
it?
I don't. No, you check out other beans first. What's else? How many beans are there?
There are 6 beans inside here.
And
I was so excited.
The package said there should be A.
Oh, 1, 2. Okay, there. Oh, I forgot to look at more of them. Oopsies. Do I have to open this or not? It's so cold.
I don't think you need to open it. It makes up some sort of chemicals. It just.
Do I have to open it and put water in it?
I don't think so.
Then what do I have to do with it?
Check the instruction. Did you say anything?
There's a rubber band.
Oh. Oh, I know. You hang it somewhere.
But why is it cold? I think you put it in your freezer.
Maybe.
It says no cutting.
Yeah, no cutting.
But what is inside?
Some sort of chemicals.
Chemicals? Oh. I can put this back together. Okay, let's show you all the beans. My Mighty Beans and baby screaming. Stop screaming. I'm making a video. This is a crazy bean. It looks like a man. And this is bean number 2. It looks like an elephant. This is chicken bean or duck bean. This is, what is that called?
Is it what? Ninja? No. It's a football player.
Yeah, it's a football player bean. What is this? This is a lady bean. Ladybug bean. And this is a robot bean. This is another one of those thingies. And this, it's like this one.
Oh, okay. It's the
Mighty Beans, circus bean. Then what do I have to do with this again?
No, just hang it somewhere.
But how am I supposed to hang it?
I don't know. We can try to figure it out later.
Okay, let's try to put this back together. I just have to take this off because we only can use it one time.
Yeah, of course. After you
'Cause
unpack it, you cannot reverse it.
Reuse it, not reverse it.
Yeah,
my
somebody
gosh.
screaming.
Can you just stop screaming? Oh my god. I put 2 beans in one place. Stop! You want me to hate you? Oh. No? There's no more beans. You can put the top back on. So this apparently doesn't put back on. So we just have to do this. Right? Maybe. But this one we're going to hang somewhere else. Look. Oh. Look at this. Let's shake it. Makes a very loud sound. Go. It's like this. So cool. We're going to figure this out. It feels like bath bomb.
Yeah. It's just some sort of chemicals. And it expands when you punch it. I'm going to try the next one later. A moment later.
I try it.
Don't break it. Some chemical will leak out.
It's actually some exploded powder. Maybe if you put it in the freezer because it's already cold.
Yeah, maybe.
So bye-bye. See you next time. See you in the next video. Woohoo! Hi guys. Welcome to the next video. We have 8 beans again. We got the mighty beans. Oh, and this is unwrap, slam, and bust. This is mighty beans. Flip, rolled, and race. Peel here. It's actually blowing my mind. Oh, I'm hot. What? Why the heck is this so... See it grow and bust. Keep face away. Okay, let's see this. I forgot to see this. First, remove all packaging. Slam the bean pod. Use force. See it grow and bust. Keep face away. Okay? Okay.
Yeah, you can punch
Read
it
before open. Okay, I did not read.
Yeah, the last time you didn't read it.
So I did not even, I know I watch YouTube, okay? It's already growing. And here, don't keep facing away. Oh my gosh. It's the other one. I found another one.
Yeah, last time you didn't punch it hard. That's why you didn't buzz. You didn't buzz.
Here.
Yeah, the chemical. Keep your face away from it.
It's expanding.
Okay, now let's check out the beans.
Let's see if there's any more fell on the floor.
No, I don't think
I
so.
don't think so. We said the same thing. I hit it 2 times before. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. See that it's still expanding. Look, it's supposed to grow like this, like very very grow. Do I have to take the last one?
Last one what?
It's like just right on the table. Do I just have to clean this table? So rubbish. And you got the target. Rubbish. Do I have to do this? Rubbish. It's chemicals. There's germs. I don't want to touch it anymore. And the same, there's another rubber band. Another rubber band. What am I supposed to do with the rubber band again? Let's show you these mighty beans. Wait, I have to clear the table. I'll put one. I really wanted the golden bean. Here, ends up. Okay, here's the first bean. Put it down. Here's the second bean. Put it down. Here's the third bean. There's something inside. Put it down. Fourth bean. Fifth bean. Sixth bean. Seventh bean. And eighth bean. And ninth bean. No more bean. Ooh. Let's see if we can do stuff with this. Oh my gosh, that's so fast. Tilt. It doesn't even tilt. Whoa, it's so cool. He's not even tilt. Let's put these back there. First, I gotta put the mighty beans. Then what do I have to do with the mighty beans? Just play.
Oh, actually, we got some other mighty beans at home.
Really? But you opened and I didn't. It's on another channel, but not our channel. It doesn't show any face. What happened? I see the cap. Put it in. And I just have to put the cap in, and then I'm gonna put the top back on. Maybe I don't know how to do that, so I'm not. So I want to play with the beans. I want to play with the beans for 1 second, for a little bit, please. Can I? Okay, I'll be faster. Let's see if they tilt. They tilt, but they... Look at this one. He knows how to play this. Look. Okay, let's play bowling ball. They actually don't tilt. Bowling ball! See, they don't tilt. So... Bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. And we want 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button. And we'll see you all next time. Goodbye. Stop screaming.